Yet, most suffer in silence because current treatments are outdated and very hard to access. Gynecology devices have remained one size fits all for decades. Patients often go through trial and error pessary fittings with over 100 different choices in terms of shapes and sizes. Clinicians describe pessary is a way of managing prolapse by providing support in the vagina of the organs that are falling down. Clinicians describe this as a clinical art because they're relying on intuition and not data. Second type of treatment is physiotherapy, but it is underutilized and surgery is risky. So pessaries are the most common conservative treatment. But the issue is currently there's 30% failure rate and 50% dropout rate. At Cosm, we're building a product solution that makes women's health personalized and predictive with AI and 3D printing at its core. We're developing the world's first digital gynecology platform with image-based diagnosis, AI-generated personalization, secure cloud software, like Greg mentioned, that enabled 3D printing to manufacture patient-specific gynecologic devices. A year ago, we achieved FDA approval and launched Gynothetics in Canada. Our digital platform has both a patient and a clinician portal. Our clinician portal provides a platform to design and order gynothetics and track patient outcomes. The patient app provides educational articles, videos, and aim to improve patient engagement, compliance, and track the journey. We've spoken with many women who's now are customers of Gynothetics. Then they say that Gynothetics gave them their lives back. One told us, I literally forgot it was in. That's how comfortable it was. Another said, it's like night and day. These are women who struggled for years with pain and social isolation. Now they describe our product as magical, life-changing, and simply, I can enjoy my life again. So this is the real impact of personalized care. Now, to bring our product to life, we developed a proprietary manufacturing process that balances precision, flexibility, and safety. This is very similar to FitMe process. We start with, I think, just from what I saw William presented, we start with patient-specific measurements with data input coming from our clinician portal into our automated parametric modeling tools. Then from that CAD and STLs, we 3D print a high-resolution mold. Into this mold, we inject a biocompatible silicone, ensuring safety and long-term comfort for the patient. Our in-house team performs rigorous quality control at key stages, from the beginning CAD to mold to final product, to make sure that we are outputting the right products ordered. This process gives us the flexibility to adjust to each patient's order while keeping manufacturing agile and scalable. Now I'm going to talk about some of our publications. So to validate our approach prior to launch, we conducted a pilot clinical study with our patient-specific pessaries, and the results were published in Urogynecology Journal. With this study, all 8 patients had previously been using standard off-the-shelf pessaries, and each was transitioned into a gynothetic designed using physician input, patient preferences and goals, and precise anatomical measurements. At the end of the trial period, we saw a statistically significant improvement. Patients reported reduced prolapse distress and increased satisfaction using validated questionnaires. Every patient either improved or maintained ease of use, comfort, and support, with no adverse events reported. And every single one of them preferred gynothotic over the standard pessary. This journal also published an editorial alongside our paper, calling this a translational success and noting that the future of gynecology is bright. This highlights, even early on in our journal, the potential for personalization. At Cosm, we know that measurement is everything when it comes to personalization. Our early work demonstrated automated method for accurately identifying key pelvic floor landmarks, like the bladder and the rectum as marked here, and extract the plane of minimal heightal dimension from a 3D ultrasound, which is key to get some of our features going into our AI. Our publication in Medical Physics marks the first reported work of automated segmentation and biometric measurement system for a mid-sagittal plane of 3D transperineal ultrasound volumes.